Like a race, we need to get our space ready to go, ready to work. By resetting our physical and mental environment, we can get the feeling of a fresh start, but most importantly, a functioning space to keep us from falling off the wagon. I don't think that people usually talk about this, but I don't know how they do it. Like this week, I started like working out, kind of. And let me follow the trend here because everybody's talking about their getting out of their lazy era or whatever era. I guess this era for me is like fitness and health. I'm saying fitness, but I'm not a person at all. And I've done that in a week, and my body is sore. But I have to get the house clean. So if you do it, how do you do it? Like, how do you continue to get the energy and motivation to continue? Because I just, like, it was sore to bend over like my legs to like crouch down and all of those stuff. If you work out arms and like right now I'm holding up the camera, so it's like ugh. Anyways, I'm already late on my schedule that I did for like the whole cleaning on Saturday, and I put it for like 4 hours to clean, but I'm starting off very late. My body, like I tried to explain, was exhausted and tired. So I just let myself sleep in. I'm telling myself it's the first week, so it's not a failure and I'm still getting it done. Either way, it's just later down in the day. So even though I got up kind of grouchy and like not really motivated to do anything, I'm still like in my head saying if I do it today or if I do it now, at least it's done. Like something check off the list or whatever so I can have like ease for later. And also kind of want to get a walk in some kind of how today. So yeah, even though the weather is not all of that. But anyways, we're gonna continue cleaning because I already started. I'm gonna do the bedroom now and just work our way around the house without really like putting much thought into it this time. So let's go.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? I am so rude. I didn't even tell you guys hello, how are you doing today? And at the beginning of the video, like what? But if you are new, welcome. My name is Radi, and welcome to like another vlog. Motivational cleaning, weekly reset, all of that stuff is what's going to be in this video. And if you are returning, thank you for the support. Thank you for always liking and commenting on the video, and I hope it continues to do so. And also, how are you guys doing? Like, if you made any resolutions, goals, and that, it's like the first full week of the new year. I want to hear in the comments, how is it going for you? Are you already abandoning ship? Did you set too high of goals? Like, what's been going on? Slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
As I'm cleaning, I'm realizing that I probably need to clarify some stuff, like how the channel is now versus how it was before, or how I'm trying to change it. Before, it was like all about cleaning, motivational cleanings. I was talking about my planning type of products and really going into detail, but I'm trying to switch that up to add more diversity. So you're still going to get motivational cleaning, but I'm not going to talk about all the details. And if you have been with me like from the beginning, you've seen me switch from chemical product to ecological products back to chemical products, and I have like a whole explanation on why I did that. Also for the scheduling, I explain like, why I was like the only one cleaning. But for right now, my boyfriend does help out sometimes, but there are other days where I just kind of want to do it on my own, and it sometimes he just don't want to be on camera, so it's just easier. And also like today for the bathroom, I clean but not fully the shower because tomorrow Sunday I'm going to be doing his hair and that's get really messy. So what I did was actually clean like around like the toilet and stuff, and I kind of want to switch the day that I actually clean the bathroom to like the week where I do not do his hair. So it makes more sense that way. So like that everything is not done in one full week because it seems like a lot. And so right now what I did, I just kind of rinsed the shower. I didn't use any product. I was going to, but I didn't use any product, and then hopefully next week I will do like a full cleaning of how I usually do it with like the broom, the soap, the Clorox, the everything. And it's not that dirty, so I'm happy about that. But I'm going to continue to like switching out our towels and stuff and cleaning the bathroom floor. So like that I have a full week of it not being like super filthy. So I just kind of wanted to explain that, and also explain the part of not going into detail about all of the products that I use and stuff like that. Not because I'm not sponsored by anything, but it's just like to make it less long and leave room for like other stuff that I kind of want to show you guys about my life. But if you do have questions on the product that I use, where I get them, if they're cheaper, not cheaper, if they work better, what's not, then you could actually just ask me in the comments and I'll answer you. I apologize if you are hearing background noise. That's just the washing machine doing another load. And also, this is back. My I don't know, dry dishes dryer. You understand? I put my dishes on that. You see me unload it. However, I am going to paint it in white because the first reason why I removed it is because I find like it creates clutter, especially like the white cabinets and then this just black thing there, and then it's just really condensed. So I feel like if I brighten up the color a little bit, that'll be better. Also, as you can see, they didn't really do like a whole deep cleaning because I'm doing a lot of stuff. So I'm really practicing like that clean as you go type of thing. So during the week, if I see, built up of anything like that, I might come back and then, well, not come back, but like I'm in the area, so I might just do it. So all of these things might not be caught on camera. Again, just trying to explain kind of like this type of changes that's going to be going on the channel, and I kind of want to repeat it because I know that you guys don't watch all of the videos or all types of videos. So just in case, like next week, if I do, I don't know, a skincare or something, I'm just saying whatever, then I know some of you who are maybe really into the whole cleaning would not watch that. So I'm just trying to like put the information out there as much as possible. And still tired, by the way. But I'm pushing through and I have to deal with the garbage. I don't know if I want to do it now or later, or ask Zach if he wants to deal with that for me. And then I think all we're locking now is the floors and like the entryway, and we're kind of good and we could have lunch. So I meal prep yesterday. This is lunch, yay! Because after all the cleaning, I don't want to cook. So I'm gonna show you guys like what I kind of cook, but it's basically ground beef. I have some sweet potatoes in there with normal potatoes, spinach, and I also did soup. So that is lunch, one of my favorites. Yum. This watch 2,455 just by being in the house cleaning, and I'm going to reach to that 5,000 by going out of the house. I didn't make the 5,000 steps, but it's cold. And I got a good book, I think. I've been seeing it all over, so I got influenced. But I'm excited to read it, so I want to go home, have some hot chocolate, eat or something, and then just rest. got home and Sak is making crepes for us for dinner. This is egg on top. It has ham and cheese inside. Yum. And I'm guessing these are like to fill with Nutella for dessert. Aww. Okay, so I just put on my seaweed mud mask and I'm gonna let that sit. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to do my nails. I bought a new color that I kind of want to wear, and plus, these are got to go. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna remove everything and maybe just continue to relax with a book. And yeah, that's how the night is going. So, this is the book I'm going to read tonight. I was influenced, obviously, by the internet. I was seeing it all over. It sounds good. And also, the nails are done. And usually, I don't do like these colors, like bright red, or like this is more like a wine red. It matches with the book. It's so cute. But I'm feeling like to be the main character, to get more courage, more confidence, I kind of need to be, a little more bold with my colors. So, yeah. Anyways, I know nothing of this book, haven't followed any stories, just read, the summary at the back. And leave me know in the comments if you guys want to know my final thoughts when I'm actually done with it. Our home is now set to take on another week of crust, dust, and grind. Like our home, our minds are also clear and distraction free. If you found inspiration and motivation in this video today, follow my story by subscribing and joining the journey.